even then, that's why I'm going to China. And the first thing that I will bring out before them, the arbitral ruling. Ganito yan eh. So we do not go to war. Okay. Hindi naman talaga tayo pwede makipag-era sa kanila. I will just feed my army and the military and the police to the mouths of hell. Mamamatay lahat yan. At this time, pero sabihin ko sa kanila na you've always been saying we do not have to go to war, we do not have to go to trouble, and let us resolve this controversy peacefully. I told you that before my term ends, I would have to talk to the Chinese about this. So, I will ask them, as what you said and what we have agreed upon, we talk to resolve this problem peacefully. Now, how? Tell me, how do we start to solve the problem peacefully? There has got to be something. You just cannot talk air. At sabi nila, hindi pag-usapan. Sabi ko, no. If I'm not allowed as a president of a sovereign nation to talk whatever I want to talk about, then let us not rather, talk altogether. Wag na. Do not control my mouth because that is a gift from God. It was not God-given. I have my own universal identity. I have a soul which will go to heaven because of what you did to Mother Earth. Ang babait natin, nasalin na rin ako sa the drift of the goodwill of the people. So, whether you like it or not, will it make you happy or not, angry or otherwise, I'm sorry. But we have to talk the arbitral ruling, then what we get. If there is a start in the exploration and in the extraction of whatever wealth there is in the bowels of the earth, the proposal of 60-40 in our favor would be a good start. I hope that it would graduate into something like towards how do we solve the arbitral ruling peacefully. You know, if you study the sentence very, very carefully, if we cannot go to war because we cannot simply afford it, we cannot afford violence, trouble, because it is not the norm of the day just to kill people for this disagreement. Then let us talk about what is there. You have to share with us. Any other adventures or expeditions in the marine oceans of our exclusive zones, economic zones, will have a direct bearing on that arbitral ruling. Hindi ako papayag na tiwa yan. Hindi naman ako makipag-away